If there is no struggle, there is no progress. Those who profess to favor freedom and yet deprecate agitation want crops without plowing up the ground. They want rain without the thunder and lightning that usually accompanies it. They want the ocean without the awful roar of its many waters. This struggle may be a moral one, or it may be a physical one. In some instances, it may be both moral and physical. But there must be a struggle. For in the end, power concedes nothing without a demand. It never has, and it never will. That opening quote was an excerpt from a speech that Frederick Douglass provided. As you go through the process of thinking about law schools, if you are an aspiring lawyer, or as you go through the process of inquiring and seeking professional organizations, affiliations, and law firms post-law school, be critical consumers of the process and of the entities you are engaging. What do I mean by that? First and foremost, do your homework about the history of the institution. Try to ascertain as much as you can about the culture of the organization, the entity, and what that means in terms of finding a small piece of yourself in that organization. As you go into the law school experience, be bold enough to understand yourself, understand who you are, and to be entrepreneurial around what that means. The degree has such a broad transferability that you don't need to limit yourself to any one aspect of the law at any given time. And you can go back and redefine and recreate yourself as you need to. I can tell you this also, that as I go into meetings, there is not a day that I don't use what I learned and what I gained through the legal education process. That means that what you are equipped with enables you to do the things that Frederick Douglass talked about, whether you are in the formal practice of law or not. So don't go into the process limiting yourself. Be entrepreneurial.